What distinguishes this design language from the other design languages we employ? Nature's shapes are always developing, and our cities are no exception. It's similar to time-lapse in photography. It'll resemble an organism expanding into the environment of a civilization that grows according to natural laws and will have a specific energy quality. As an example, consider how animals create their homes or how a bird makes a nest. The nests will restore the bird's life energy. In nature, it functions as a type of synchronizing secondary body to the bird itself.